Good morning from Nevada. So my grill cover has seen better days. And it was totally ripped on the front side. We had a 55-mile-an-hour gust the last couple of weeks. Yesterday was a 45-mile-an-hour gust. I have bricks on the bottom, or the cinder blocks, couple on the bottom, plus there's the propane tank on one side, and I have this other brick that I use to like tie down the cover. And this is what I woke up to, which I knew I needed to get a replacement, and so I have it sitting over there. Nice tan beigey color, and I think it's better, so stay tuned.